Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it. And now we have to scroll down in order to find the personal section. Now let's tap on the security, and here we have to scroll down a little to the device administration. As you can see here, we've got unknown sources option, so right now it is obviously turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switch right here. Now we've got the info, the warning that your device and personal data are more vulnerable to attack by apps from unknown sources, because some third-party apps are not verified by the developer, so you are doing it on your own responsibility. If you are ready, simply tap on OK. And as you can see, from now on this option is active, so your device will allow installation of apps from unknown sources. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want. Simply tap on the switcher again. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.